So guys, today I'll be speaking on SAP Analytics Hub, SAP Data Hub, and SAP Analytics Cloud and Data Warehouse Cloud. How it is beating its competitors, Microsoft Azure Data Lake. Now, SAP Data Hub is the single pipeline for Azure as a data lake or any other data warehouse, whether it's an Oracle data warehouse or a BW data warehouse, or it is any uh, source systems. This would be primarily connecting to all the source systems, and it will act as a single data pipeline for all the applications. Now, SAP Analytics Cloud would be left alone as a self-service based analytics solutioning for highly uh, business driven users who want to create their own reports and dashboards, bypassing the role of consultants. SAP Data Warehouse would definitely be for someone who wants to get down into a little bit of development apart from the business handling. So, the positioning here, replacement for Azure Data Lake for SAP is SAP Data Hub, and there is a SAP Analytics Hub